Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very simple and very useful, your evening routine.
Yes, we will talk about what you do in the evening. Easy sentences, easy words.
This is perfect for beginners, so relax, listen, and speak with us.
And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
All right, are you ready?
Let's start.
Part 1, talking about evening time. First sentence, my evening starts at 6 p.m.
Repeat with me. My evening starts at 6 p.m.
Good job. Now another example. My evening starts after work.
Or, my evening starts after school.
Simple, right?
Yes, now you try. Say your sentence. Great! You are improving already.
Part 2, coming home. Now let's talk about coming home.
Sentence. I come home in the evening.
Repeat. I come home in the evening.
Another one. I come home at 7 p.m.
Or, I come home late.
Good. Let's make it real.
Example, I come home and I feel tired.
Yes, very common sentence.
Repeat. I feel tired.
Nice. Keep going.
T, Part 3, relaxing. After coming home, we relax.
Sentence. I relax in the evening.
Repeat. I relax in the evening.
Examples. I watch TV. I sit on the sofa. I drink tea.
My example, I drink tea and relax.
Simple and real.
Now you say, what do you do?
Great answer. Keep practicing.
Dinner, Part 4, dinner time. Now let's talk about dinner.
Sentence. I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Repeat. I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Another example. I eat dinner with my family.
Yes, very useful sentence.
Repeat. I eat dinner with my family.
My example, my dinner is simple.
Like, my dinner is rice and vegetables.
Or, my dinner is roti and dal.
Nice. Real life English.
Free time, Part 5. After dinner, we have free time.
Sentence. I use my phone.
Repeat. I use my phone.
Other examples. I watch videos. I talk to friends. I scroll social media.
My sentence, I watch YouTube.
Very honest.
Now you say your sentence.
Good job. Keep speaking.
Books, Part 6, study or work. Some people study in the evening.
Sentence. I study at night.
Repeat. I study at night.
Or, I do my homework.
Another one. I practice English.
Yes, very important.
Say it with me. I practice English every day.
You are doing amazing.
Jam, Part 7, getting ready for bed. Now let's talk about night routine.
Sentence. I brush my teeth.
Repeat. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I change my clothes.
Good. Keep repeating.
Sleep, Part 8, going to sleep. Final part, sleep. Sentence. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Repeat. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Another one. I sleep early. Or, I sleep late.
My example. I feel sleepy.
Nice and simple. Now our practice section. Listen again.
Now let's repeat everything together.
Listen and speak with us. My evening starts at 6 p.m. I come home in the evening. I feel tired. I relax and drink tea. I eat dinner with my family. I use my phone. I practice English. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Wow, that was great.
If you repeat this every day, your English will improve fast. Part 9. Talking about feelings in the evening.
Yes, very important.
Now, let's talk about feelings.
Yes, very important.
Sentence. I feel tired in the evening.
Repeat. I feel tired in the evening.
Another one. I feel happy.
Or, I feel relaxed.
My example. I feel tired but happy.
Repeat slowly. I feel tired but happy.
Now you try.
Good job. You are speaking clearly. Part 10, talking to family.
In the evening, we talk to family.
Sentence, I talk to my family.
Repeat. I talk to my family.
Another example, I talk to my mother.
Or, I talk to my father.
My example, I talk to my family at dinner.
Very natural.
Now you say, who do you talk to? Nice answer. Part 11, snacks and drinks.
Evening means snacks time.
Sentence, I eat snacks in the evening.
Repeat. I eat snacks in the evening.
Examples, I eat biscuits. I eat fruit.
My snack is a banana.
Simple and real.
Drinks. I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
Repeat both.
Good. Keep going. Part 12, going outside.
Some people go outside in the evening.
Sentence, I go for a walk.
Repeat. I go for a walk.
Another one, I go outside.
Or, I walk in the park.
My example, I walk with my friend.
Good sentence.
Now you try. Very good. Part 13, watching something.
Evening is TV time for many people.
Sentence, I watch TV.
Repeat. I watch TV.
Other examples, I watch a movie. I watch a show.
I watch YouTube.
Very common.
Now say, what do you watch?
Good. You are improving. Part 14, listening to music.
Do you like music?
I love music.
Sentence. I listen to music.
Repeat, I listen to music.
Another one. I listen to songs.
My example, I listen to music and relax.
Very good sentence.
Now you say it. Perfect. Part 15, reading time.
Some people read in the evening.
Sentence, I read a book.
Repeat. I read a book.
Another one, I read at night.
My example. I read and feel calm.
Nice word, calm.
Repeat. I feel calm.
Good job. Part 16, relaxing activities.
Let's talk about relaxing.
Sentence, I rest in the evening.
Repeat. I rest in the evening.
Other examples, I sit quietly. I take rest.
I lie down.
Very useful.
Now you say one sentence.
Nice. Keep practicing daily. Part 17, phone habits.
We all use phones.
Sentence, I check my phone.
Repeat. I check my phone.
Other examples, I send messages. I watch reels.
I scroll social media.
Now you say your sentence. Good. Be confident. Part 18, talking about your day.
In the evening, we talk about our day.
Sentence, I talk about my day.
Repeat. I talk about my day.
Another one, my day was good.
Or, my day was busy.
My example, my day was long.
Now you try.
Great speaking. Practice section. Listen again.
Now listen and repeat. I feel tired in the evening. I talk to my family. I eat snacks. I go for a walk. I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book. I rest in the evening. I check my phone. My day was good.
Again, one more time. That was excellent.
Wrap up. Today you learned many new sentences.
You can now talk about your evening easily.
Remember, speak slowly and clearly.
Practice every day. Even 5 minutes is good.
You are improving step by step.
Now tell us, what do you do after dinner?
Write your answer and practice speaking.
See you in the next part.
Bye. Keep learning.